Day 121 of running every day. Good morning. Easy long run today. Let's go. I forgot my AirPods. Need to go back. Watch has no battery too. Let's go again. 7:04. Zone 2. 7:32. 5K. 45 minutes. Zone 2 easy run. 5:27. This is day 121 of running every day. Let's go. $8.20 done cooking.